Academy. It's a way more than just a coaching institute for me and the students like me who are living away from their families for the education. I found not only the best teachers, best professors here, but also a sweet home away from my home. I found a family which always stood behind me and directed me towards my goals. I found a family which made me realize what my potentials are, which really helped me achieve the fate which I've never dreamed of. It's been almost 3 years since I moved to Mumbai for my articleship, but still I get all the support, all the help from the professors for planning my CA final studies. It's been really very rare to see so humble and so selfless professors in today's world. I joined MSF from 11th standard, and believe me, that's the thing which really helped me survive this entire course. I'll tell you how. In 11-12, you have all the basics of accounting, mathematics, economics and statistics, and which most importantly forms the foundation of entire your CA curriculum. जब भी आपको MSM में 11-12 पढ़ाया जाता है, तो मोटिव सिर्फ बोर्ड्स में अच्छा स्कोर लाना नहीं होता है. You have been taught in such a manner that you will never face a lack of basics in your entire CA curriculum. Conceptual clarity and thriving on the basics are the most important success key to this course. And of course, it becomes very crucial for you guys to build a very strong basics, very strong foundation right from inception, right from 11th standard. And it will become very easy for you, of course, if you have joined MSc since from 11th standard. Because that's the thing which has been already taken care of by all the professors in MSc. I wish you very best luck for your bright futures and thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Kushal Lodha and I have just qualified my CA Finals examination in November 2019 with an All India rank 5. I got the same rank in my intermediate examination also, that is All India rank 5. So my journey with Mindspark Academy began in the year 2016. जैसे ही मेरे CPT के रिजल्ट्स आए थे, उसके बाद मैं मयूर सर के पास गया और उनके पास अप्रोच किया IPCC के क्लासेस के लिए. और वो 9 मंथ्स की जो IPCC की जर्नी थी वो एकदम अनफॉरगेटेबल रहेगी. 31 जुलाई 2016 तक हमारे सब क्लासेस खत्म हो गए थे और अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर 3 मंथ्स मेरे पास फुल सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए टाइम था. तो वो 3 मंथ्स में मैं मयूर सर को डेली कॉल करता था, उनको डेली पूछता था ये टारगेट्स वगैरह क्या रखने चाहिए. वो मुझे टारगेट देते थे 2 दिन का और 2 दिन में कंप्लीट करके मैं उन्हें वापस 2 दिन बाद फोन करता था. तो ये जो जर्नी रही है वो बहुत ही अनफॉरगेटेबल रही है. उन्होंने काफी हेल्प किया है और IPCC का रैंक जो है वो पहले 10th रैंक आया था रिजल्ट्स आने के बाद और मयूर सर की वजह से ही वो रैंक अपग्रेड हुआ था क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे फोर्स किया था मेरे पेपर्स रिवैल्यूएशन पे डालने के लिए. तो ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है कि मेरा 10th रैंक था, उसके बाद अकाउंट्स में 16 मार्क्स बढ़े थे और उसके बाद ICAI का कॉल आया था कि योर रैंक हैज बीन अपग्रेडेड फ्रॉम 10 to 5. ये थी IPCC की जर्नी. और CA फाइनल में मैंने SFM जो सब्जेक्ट है स्ट्रेटेजिक फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट वो पूरा मयूर सर के पास ही किया था. तो उन्होंने फ्रॉम स्क्रैच मुझे वो सब्जेक्ट सिखाया था पर्सनली. तो मैं उनको मतलब सुबह 5:30 बजे भी फोन करता था, 1 घंटा उन्होंने मेरे तभी डाउट सॉल्व किए. और मुझे ये भी याद है कि मैंने उनको 9 बजे रात को कॉल किया था, वो उनके फ्रेंड की एंगेजमेंट अटेंड कर रहे थे और उन्होंने मेरे सारे डाउट सॉल्व किए. हाफ एन आवर पर्सनल अटेंशन विच ही हैज गिवन and that is the journey with Mindspark Academy. So I have a lot to say about Mindspark, but then because of short of time, I'll just say these many things. Thank you so much Mindspark Academy for igniting my career.
I'm Siddhi Gandhi and I'm here to share with you my experience with Mindspark Academy with you guys. So शुरुआत में ऐसा लग रहा था कि CA is very tough और उसमें भी 8 to 10 hours के classes was exotic. But Mindspark Academy के सारे faculties, मयूर सर, भूषण सर, शुभम सर के moral support, personal guidance and friendly nature से ये journey to achieve AIR19 became possible. According to me, in CA, 2 things are very important. First is hard work and consistent efforts, and the second and the most important thing is a proper strategy. So Mayur sir is best at it. He always guided me with a perfect strategy and a perfect study plan. He motivated me to set higher goals and to achieve it. And he always focused towards conceptual clarity rather than mechanical learning. And the conceptual clarity in practical subjects taught by Mayur sir, Shubham sir was such that there was no space for doubts. The interactive and real life examples given by Bhushan sir made law interesting, easy to learn and prepared us not only for exams but also for real life. What I like about Mindspark Academy is a wide range of test series which helped me to reduce the exam pressure to a great extent and the extra efforts taken by all the faculties of Mindspark to solve each and every doubt. So I feel happy for my decision to join Mindspark Academy and proud to be a part of Mindspark Rankers Club, all because of lots of efforts taken by all the faculties of Mindspark.
Hi guys, my name is Neil Shah. I am a CA final student currently doing my articleship in Ernst & Young. I am here to share my wonderful experience at the Mindspark Academy. Getting into the CA course altogether from a science background of 11th and 12th wasn't an easy task for me. That's where the teachers here at Mindspark helped me find my interest in the field of commerce. The methodology of teaching followed here is the key aspect which helps its students to cope up with the difficult CA course. Building up strong core concepts is the primary aim of teaching here. Also, the personal bond which the teachers share with its students acts as a catalyzer which helps us outperform others. Constant guidance from the teachers, backed by proper planning, motivation, and hard work, helped me crack my CA foundation and intermediate examinations with overwhelming results. In the span of 2 years, I realized that Mindspark has not only helped me shine in my CA examinations, but also build myself up to become a better individual. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Mitali Bothra. MSA is a place where the teachers don't teach from books, but they teach from hearts. Whether it's day or night, Sunday or Monday. If any student has any doubt, the teachers are just a call away. Most of the institutes have 1 or 2 subjects as their strongest subjects, but this institute has each and every subject as its strongest subject. The teachers of MSA, they're not just teachers to me. They're my guardian angels. The needs of each student is considered and accordingly different and personalized study plans are made for each of them. The students are also prepared to handle the exam stress by excessive testing. The teaching sessions are not the ones where the teacher keeps on teaching and the students keep on listening, but it's an interactive and a challenging session. The concepts are so well covered that we MSc students never give the paper was tough as an excuse. I am so proud to be a part of MSA.
Hey guys, Makran here. I am here to share with you my experiences at Mindspark Academy. I joined MSA in 11th standard, which I think benefited me the most. Since the beginning, the focus was always on conceptual clarity rather than solving more number of questions. And as a result, I had my concepts very clear. Another thing which contributed to my success were the test series held regularly. The test series made us acquainted with the exam pressure. Personal attention given and regular solving of doubts were another factors which helped me a lot. A big role is played by Mayur sir, who with his constant guidance and support made studies look very easy. And last but not the least, other faculty members instilled a self-belief in me and made me love learning. Thank you Mindspark Academy for making me achieve my dream, and a big thank you to Mayur sir for standing by my side always.
Hi guys, my name is Sahil Samnani. I secured all rank 34 in my CA intermediate exam in May 2019 attempt. Mindspark join करना और वहाँ पे पढ़ाई करना, it was a great experience for me. MSA faculties ने exam point of view से जो जरूरी है वो सब तो सिखाया ही, but उसके बारे में real life examples देके उसका practical application कैसा होता है वो भी बताया. अगर आप अपना 100% दो और जो सर बोल रहे कि क्या क्या जरूरी है वो चीजें पढ़ना और कैसे पढ़ना है वो सब अगर आपने किया, then your success is guaranteed. It all depends upon the efforts you put in and giving that efforts the right direction. That's what Mindspark Academy did for me. It was overall a great and an enjoyable experience for me. At last, I would like to also thank Mindspark Academy faculties. Because of them, I was able to get such high marks. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Neerav Majitia. I secured 33rd rank in CA Inter May 2019 examinations. This was only because of logical and conceptual clarity you get here at MSA. Also, the thing I admire the most about MSA is the personal attention given to the students. Especially Mayur sir has guided me throughout the whole course and I am thankful for it. Also, I would like to thank each and every faculty here at MSA because they have served as a true source of inspiration for me. So I wish all the best for all the future CA students. Hope you study well and study smart. Thank you. Thank you so much.
To sum it up for Mindspark Academy, I think you'll get a conceptual master in the form of Mayur sir. You'll have to go through enormous amount of practice in accounts and advanced accounts with the huge experience of Prasad sir. You'll get to know a new, unique and interesting technique of understanding law and ITSM with the amazing Bhushan sir and a plethora of knowledge in the areas of GST and audit from Galib sir. Additionally, you'll go through a whole lot of practice papers which will kind of help you sail through in the exams.
Hi, CA Pratik Budada here to share my experiences at Mindspark Academy. I was fortunate enough to be a student of initial batches of Mindspark Academy. In my opinion, to crack any exam, you need two things. One is material and second one is your approach towards study or the mentoring or the guidance. Now, first thing is evidently available in the market, but the second thing is what is the thing which gives you the extra in the extraordinary. Trust me guys, Mindspark Academy is best at providing those extras, which are namely conceptual clarity, revisions, test series and mainly personal attention. Considering time constraints, I would like to end by sharing an incident with you. Just before exam, outside exam hall, Mayur sir came and just asked me to be calm, concentrate and told me you are going to crack it, believe me. And trust me guys, those words at that time were too motivational and does matter. This kind of personal attention you get at Mindspark Academy, which is rather exceptional. I would like to thank Mindspark Academy and all the professors for shaping the basics of my career. Thank you once again.